shouting at my girl's dogs to see how she reacts.
Bear, Simba, get off the bed. Get off the bed, right?
Who are you talking to like that?
Get them off the bed.
Oh my god, he did not mean to say that. He was just joking.
Okay.
Apologize to them right now.
Get them off the bed.
No! I can't believe you're being so mean to them. Babies, you're okay. You can be here. Apologize right now. Right now.
No, see.
No, you're gonna apologize to them because you don't talk to them like that. Bye, puppy. You're still a baby. Do it. Say it.
Sorry, you can stay in the bed. I didn't mean to talk to you guys like
Say it to Bear too.
I didn't mean to talk to you like that, okay?
Good. You're never gonna do it again, right?